This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Frank Schultz. This 4-bedroom 2-bath home is ready for a new owner. Carpet in the bedrooms and vinyl flooring everywhere else. New granite has been installed in the kitchen. New toilets, bowls in both bathrooms. Brand new appliances. Inside and outside has been newly painted. Nothing to do but move in. Walking distance to the pool and the park. This one won't last. For more information, review the details below or contact Frank Schultz at 813-625-0529.